So today I wanted to do kind of an update video on the velocity stacks by 22 RPD for, of course, the N52, to talk about my experience with it after about 3 or 4 months of use, talk about the final version that they just announced recently. Like I said in the other video, I am not sponsored by 22 RPD. The reason I feel the need to tell you is because I want you to understand that I'm free to give my unbiased opinion. But of course, I appreciate any company that's out there trying to help the N52 platform. So to start off, I'll tell you kind of my initial impressions on this product. I came from using a 3-stage manifold before installing these, and then I purchased these secondhand from someone within my Discord community. So it took a few attempts on the tune to get the car to actually start in this configuration, but once they gave me a revision that allowed the car to start, I didn't have any issues with limp mode or anything like that. So in terms of the power, it was quite a little bit better, you know, nothing crazy, nothing too life-changing. Some of the more life-changing mods that I've done were the differential, but it seemed like they kind of opened up the car just that much more, you know, nothing too crazy, but enough to definitely feel like the money was well spent. But the car certainly does feel faster, and I've kept them on longer than I originally expected. I didn't think I was going to run them for very long, but I'm still using them. So another thing to mention is initially after installing this, I was very afraid of water entry. For a while, I stopped parking the car outside. Of course, I didn't drive it in the rain. Obviously, it was just because I didn't trust that water wouldn't get in. But then, of course, eventually got rained on. I've driven it in the rain as well. Obviously no issues so far. So initially I was a little bit overly paranoid about that, but I think it's actually more difficult than I expected for any dripping water to find its way in. The manifold itself has a little bit of a downward pitch to it, so really the only way that it could happen that I can foresee is if you hit a giant puddle without your under tray or something and water comes splashing upward at a high velocity. Velocity stacks, okay? So the sound differences. A lot of times it's hard to hear the swirly sound over the sound of my exhaust, which I hate the sound of. So just cruising around, it kind of just sounds like a loud belt squeak, which is funny. But when at a standstill, I can hear those cool swirly sounds much more vibrantly. Also, what's interesting is with the increased induction noise, my car in some scenarios kind of reminds me of what jet skis sound like. So definitely stay tuned. Next time I'll be bringing this bitch on the water. But yeah, I don't know, just kind of an observation I've made. It's probably a combination between the tones up front and the tones from the exhaust, or added NVH from my solid motor mounts. So now to address the question that a lot of people asked over and over and over again, where can I buy these? So recently 22 RPD had put the pre-orders up for the final production version. That means you can pre-order them now. There's 2 different versions, just the trumpets, which is $799, and then for $999 there's a trumpet plus a lid version, which allows you to hook up, I imagine, a stock or, you know, whatever intake setup you plan on doing in front of it. But it does look like you can bolt on a filter to the just the trumpet version as well. It says we are in development of a bolt-on race panel filter, which can be purchased separate and will be available before we ship the trumpets. These will be cleanable and reusable. So overall, it doesn't have to be as scary as it used to be to run this setup. But yeah, anyways, here's some driving clips with a microphone underneath the hood. Good thing we have enough gas for this.